As the world advances rapidly, people are actively seeking diverse smart solutions. And this could be the place for you to discover the answers. In the era of Industry 4.0, robots play a crucial role. Integrating AI and information technology, they efficiently and swiftly execute various automation tasks tailored to different fields and demands. Smooth automation depends crucially on transmission components. We possess the core technology of manufacturing, ensuring perfection in every detail through high-precision measurements. With powerful research and development capabilities, we continuously enhance product performance and quality. We are not only the world's top source of automation components, but also the best support for the industry. We not only provide embedded computers, industrial servers, and system integration solutions, but also integrate advanced intelligent machining tools through IoT technology and sensors. Paired with automation equipment, we achieve high precision, high-speed processing, intelligent compensation, and remote monitoring. With such comprehensive intelligent production line, we offer manufacturing the most flexible and efficient support. Because of our complete industrial chain, software innovation, solid manufacturing capabilities, and highly integrated technologies. From industry to daily life, our support is present in global industries. This is our vision for the future.